Something weird and completely unexpected happened in Scotts Valley, which is just a little north of Santa Cruz, California, on December 14th, 2024. And that was a random, unexpected tornado landed literally in the middle of their town. Now, dozens of people have hurt, and thank goodness nobody lost their life. But this was completely out of the blue. They weren't prepared. There was little to no warning. And the next two videos are of the tornado and the aftermath. Take a look at this and tell me what you think.
Tornado in Scotts Valley, bro? What the f?
Look at this one.